If you need to reset your Slack password, follow these simple steps to regain access to your account. This process is straightforward and can be completed in just a few minutes. Step 1. Go to the Slack login page. Open your web browser and navigate to the Slack login page at slack.com. This is where you will begin the password reset process. Step 2. Click on Forgot Password. On the login page, look for the Forgot Password link. Click on this link to initiate the password reset procedure. Step 3. Enter your email address. You will be prompted to enter the email address associated with your Slack account. Type in your email and click the Send Reset link button to receive a password reset email. Step 4. Check your email. Open your email inbox and look for an email from Slack with a subject line related to password reset. If you don't see it, check your spam or junk folder. Click on the link provided in the email to proceed. Step 5. Set a new password. After clicking the link, you will be directed to a page where you can enter a new password. Choose a strong password, confirm it, and then submit the changes. Your password will now be reset. Now you can log into your Slack account with your new password. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Slack support for further assistance.